This video is made for the awareness of all the Mithapurians about the rain disaster going on these days in Salt City, that is, our Mithapur. So here we are having an image of Mithapur main market where we can see an uprooted tree and abundance of water everywhere. Now, this image shows the abundance of water near shops of Mithapur, which are of the main market as well as the Rekri market. Here is a picture of a road passing by the Mithapur hospital, and in the picture we can see a tree bending downwards due to the heavy rainfall. Due to a very heavy and continuous rainfall, there are many trees which are uprooted in Mithapur TATA township, like the quarters of J1 and the quarters near the club of Mithapur. We can see the pictures of many trees whose branches are broken or they are uprooted completely. Now, moving on to the images shown in this slide, we can see the shops which are of the main market as well as the Rekri market, and here are many trees which are uprooted, like we can see in the picture.
बोलो क्या बोलती बन बोलो झापड़ का
And this image is of trees uprooted near the roads of Mithapur, like the road which leads to the market or the roads of the quarters. Everywhere, in many of the places, the trees are uprooted on the road, which had led to the blockage of roads. As it was continuously raining in Mithapur, water is spilled everywhere. Like in the picture, we can see in the playgrounds which are made in the center of many quarters for the kids and even the elders.
उनको दिख गया भैया, हमको नहीं दिख रहा।
And because of the same reason, roads are even filled with water. And here are the picture of roads of Samanvay Park and near the club of Mithapur and the roads near the quarters also. All are filled with water.
पुलिस अंकल भी बन गए मॉडल
As I earlier told you that it was raining heavily for the last few days in Mithapur, so water was filled everywhere in the public places also, like temples, the parks, the gardens, the schools, everywhere the water was filled. In the ground, FSTP ground, which is a ground for functions in Mithapur, then the town office where we go for our complaints, everywhere water was filled. canal is constructed near the Jivan quarters of Mithapur, and due to continuous heavy raining, the canal is overflowing and is now at the level of the roads.
बीच के साइड में जो गड्ढा वो नहीं देख पाए ना।
हाँ नहीं वैसे
बंद था ना वो गेट तो वैसे
क्या हुआ रोक के लिए
नहीं ये वाले साइड में कहाँ है ये वाला आइड नहीं ये वाला नहीं
We all love rain and it is beautiful, but at the same time, it causes destruction to houses, buildings, trees, etc. And the same we can see in the picture. There's pictures of houses which are covered with black plastic because their roofs are destructed. We can see many trees uprooted, their branches are destroyed.
डिस्ट्रक्शन वाले फोटोज बड़ा अच्छा है पूरा डिस्ट्रक्शन दिख रहा है ये देखो डिस्ट्रक्शन लेडीज हॉस्टल
पता ही नहीं बस है क्या
बस तो डालेंगे नहीं दिखेगा हमें
क्या था वो?
Here is a short clip of a road beside a ground which is very lovingly addressed as the Nadiali Road because it is surrounded with coconut trees. In the video, you will be able to see the condition of the ground which is beside the Nadiali Road after the heavy rainfall.
निकल जा रहा है
अच्छा नहीं इसको उठा रही हूँ।
I hope that this video reaches to every Mithapurian. Wish all the Mithapurians a happy, safe and enjoyable rainfall. Thank you for watching this video.